Yar yaddy da yaddy daddy da. Yar yaddy da yaddy daddy da. Yar ho yar yaddy da yaddy daddy da. Yar yaddy da yaddy daddy da.
Aboard a worn and ragged ship, alone I sat as looming death gripped every moment of my slowly fading life. A captain lost at sea, a crew of starving men who longed to be among their friends and family as certain doom drew nigh. Then through the swirling black abyss, a distant figure formed among the mist. A merchant ship, its sails like the wings of angels float. But our senses had long withered, and desperation like a serpent slithered round my heart. I raised my voice and screamed a harrowing command.
The captain gave orders to attack. The merchant ship's cannons fired back. Down on the ship and the crew did go into the dark salty depths below. Yar yaddy da yaddy yaddy da. Yar yaddy da yaddy yaddy da. Yar ho yar yaddy da yaddy yaddy da. Yar yaddy da yaddy yaddy da.
The cannon fire, like raging thunder, struck the hull and tore the boards asunder. From the deck I fell into a deep and murky hell. I couldn't swim for code forbade, but a plank by chance my weighted weight. I grasped it tight and watched in horror the sinking of my ship Lenore. Then from below the waves, a pair of green eyes caught my gaze like brilliant pearls. Amid a sea of golden curls they gleamed. The figure now before me, a maiden of unrivaled beauty, kissed my cracked lips and whispered, I can show you things you've never dreamed.
The captain, he closed his weary eyes, awaiting his cold and cruel demise. Sleep took him and he was washed ashore on a land that he'd never seen before. Yar yaddy da yaddy yaddy da. Yar yaddy da yaddy yaddy da. Yar ho yar yaddy da yaddy yaddy da. Yar yaddy da yaddy yaddy da.
When consciousness returned to me, I found myself alone on what appeared to be a desert island's calm and sandy beach. But far inland a city rose up high, spiral towers reaching to the sky, structures dreamlike in their strange design. Then I knew it well, the maiden from the sea did surely dwell within that city's timeless walls and otherworldly halls of eldritch lore. Indeed I found her there, among a coven, each is fair, who spoke to me these chilling words that damned my soul forevermore.
Dear captain, your life is at its end, your spirit it never shall ascend, for all the time here with us who dwell in our city that man will make all hell. Yar yaddy da yaddy daddy da. Yar yaddy da yaddy daddy da. Yar ho yar yaddy da yaddy yaddy da. 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 Yar ho yar yaddy da yaddy yaddy da. 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 Yar ho yar yaddy da yaddy yaddy da. Yar yaddy da yaddy yaddy da.